Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a Lucidchart. Let's begin. Getting a Lucidchart is quick and straightforward. All you have to do is follow these simple steps to start using the platform. Number one is you might want to visit the official Lucidchart website, which is www.lucidchart.com. And from here, just click the create an account option, which is the sign up or free button. If you do that, you would be forwarded to the next page, wherein you need to choose a plan because Lucidchart offers several plans, including free ones and paid options. The free ones has obviously $0. It's kind of like free forever. No credit card required, but of course you have all of these kind of limited features and performance and benefits for you. All right. The individual comes at $9. Products include all these. Everything on free plus this. The team plan is at $10 per user. You get all from the individual plus all these. Developer platform, revision history with versioning, call others to me, password, and a lot more. The enterprise is a big commitment that you need to contact the sales department, so you might want to do that later if you wanted to scale up. The bundle is save is free, obviously, but the difference is if you go in the free plan for Lucidchart plans, you only have the Lucidchart, but on the bundle and save, not only you have the Lucidchart, you also have the Lucid Spark. You can start free again, no credit card required. The individual bundle is $13.50. You can try it for free. You have everything here. The team bundle is at $15. You can try it for free. You have all of these. And again, the enterprise is something that you might want to not risk for now. It's a big commitment. And for you to be able to test the waters, I highly suggest you click the start free button. You would be forwarded to this section. Now, creating a plan is a breeze because all you have to do, you can sign up using an email address, put in your full name, your password, and you can use your Google account or maybe Microsoft or Slack and just follow the on-screen instruction. Once you have successfully created your account in Lucidchart, you should be able to receive a welcome email from this, and then all I have to do is for you to be able to start create your flowcharts or charts, diagrams, and more. And you can access hundreds of ready-to-use templates, collaborate with team members in real time, and integrate with industry-leading apps to streamline your workflow by clicking this button to get started. You would be forwarded to the main dashboard here in Lucidchart, wherein you can simply start using the platform. After logging in, click the new button on the upper left corner where you can start with a blank document, or click the create from template wherein you can explore templates to get started, right? You can use from any of the following: agile, brainstorming, processes, meetings, planning, research, teamwork, systems, education, partner. You can do a lot of things here once you get an account in Lucidchart. For example, if you wanted to use the activity diagram or maybe an flowchart, click the preview button. You would be able to test waters and gauge if this template can help you clearly define and visualize these steps in your process. If you're happy with that, click the use templates and you would be forwarded to the diagram builder. It takes a little while, but once you're inside of it, you would notice that you have the capability to essentially rename the file name here on the top left corner. In the left side panel of your dashboard, you can go to images. You can add more images along the way to make it a little bit interactive. An image, GIF, or OneDrive. If you do that, you would have an option to add an interactive image right here. If you right click, you have an option to change the background color to make it more visually dynamic and interesting. You can choose from any of the following colors that best represents your brand and identity. In my case, I'm going to be choosing maybe something like this for now. And then you can add more elements along the way. On the left side, you can put in shapes. You have access by dropping and dragging down here. It's very easy, really. So you can do all these. You can go here in the themes. You can put in smart containers if you want. So you can do all of that. Now, on the upper right corner, you have the presentation builder. This is particularly helpful if you're planning to, apart from getting the Lucidchart, the reason you get the Lucidchart platform is to present it to your client or to maybe to your team members. Click the add a new slide. This is going to be the slider right here. Add a new slide right here. Now, click the present slides. You would have an option to present it to your client. So you can do a lot of things here inside Lucidchart. Click the arrow button to move you along, and you have all that. Now let's try to escape and go back again to the main dashboard. Now, apart from that, you can also share this wonderful diagram that you have created after getting your Lucidchart account. You see, you can add people, maybe your client, maybe one of your team members that you're working with, to get a feedback or a comment, or maybe share it and discuss some data along the way. You can also click the shareable link. You can give an access level, edit and share, edit only, comment only, and view only. All right, you can put in the collaborators within here. You can manage, and you can do all these. After that, if you wanted to save this and make a copy of it, go to the export button. You have an option to download it or export it as a PDF, PNG with a transparent background, JPEG, SVG, and slides to PDF. For example, we're going to click on the PDF. Now you have an option to download it as a PDF, PNG by clicking the download button. So you have created a backup plan or backup data for your newly saved diagram after getting your Lucidchart account. On the file here, again, you have an option to embed this if you're gonna plan to embed this diagram into your website. If you're using the maybe Squarespace, WordPress, and a lot more, you can activate embed code and click on done. Embed this diagram into your website or into your maybe blog sites, or maybe your other platforms. Now, you can also have the option to, if you're happy with this, convert this into a template. All right, you can choose from any of the following: flowcharts, swimlane diagrams, and a lot more. This document will be used as a template for you and anyone who shares this document, which is particularly helpful if you don't want to start from scratch, and if this is going to be a recurring theme for every especially if you're using Lucidchart for work. Check again if your organization has a subscription, because you may be able to join their account for free. All right, so you get all the access features. After that, click on save, click the category, say for example flowchart, save it, and you'll be able to not only get your Lucidchart account, but also manage to utilize this to create files within this platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.